Hello everyone, this is a follow-up video on 6.3 practice. 6.3 practice. So what I assigned to you yesterday, if you could take that out, let's go through it on this video. Okay, this is 6.3 practice. We covered this yesterday. Let's go through this rather quickly. It's 9 questions. There will be a short little activity at the end today, which is going to be posted in the assignment tab. Okay, so first is simplifying the expression. We have the fifth root of 243. So we're looking for the number that when multiplied by itself 5 times in a row, that you get 243. So the fifth root of 243 is, if you expand 243 out as 3 times 3 times 3 times 3 times 3, the fifth root of 243 is 3. Number 2, we're looking for the cube root of 64. So basically what we're looking for is a number that we multiply it 3 times, you end up with the number 64. So if you expand 64 out in 3 or 4 times 4 times 4, the cube root of 64 is 4. Number 3. 1/4 to the 1/2 power. Okay, so we had rational exponents yesterday. So basically what this is, we're looking for the square root of 144. So we're looking for that number when multiplied by itself, you get 144, and that number is 12. 12 times 12, the answer is 12 for number 3. Number 4, we have 729 to the 1/3 power. What you have there is 7. You're looking for the cube root of 729. Cube root is 729. So we're looking for that number that when you multiply it 3 times by itself, you get 729. In that case, it would be 9. 9 times 9 times 9. So 729 to the 1/3 power is 9. Number 5, we have 1,000 to the 2/3 power. So 1,000 to the 2/3 power is basically what we're looking for is the cube root of 1,000, but it's squared. Or in other words, we are looking for 1,000 to the 1/2 power times 3. On number 5, we have this 1,000 to the 2/3 power. And I misspoke by saying 1,000 to the 3/2. It should read 1,000 to the 1/3. And that's raised times 2. So we're looking for the cube root of 1,000. The cube root of 1,000, which is 10. And then we're going to take that and we're going to raise it to the 2nd power. So the cube root of 1,000 is 10. 10 times 10 times 10 is 1,000. And 10 squared is 100. Number 6, 64 to the 3/2. 64 to the 3/2 is the same as 64 to the 1/2 power raised to the 2nd, or times times 3, I should say. So this is a square root of 64. So basically you're looking for the number multiplied by itself to get 64, that would be 8. And that would be 8 then to the third power, which is 512. 512 would be your answer for number 6. Remember, the 64 to the half is the square root of 64, which was 8. Moving on to number 7, 81 to the 3/4 is 81 to the 1/4 times 3. So you're looking for the 4th root of 81, which is 3. 3 to the third is 27. Number 8, you have 32 to the 7/5. 32 to the 7/5 is 32 to the 1/5 times 7. 32 to the 1/5 times 7. So you're looking for the 5th root of 32. 5th root of 32. And then we're going to multiply that to the 7th power. In this case, it's 2. And 2 to the 7th is equal to 128. And lastly, number 9 today, the radius of the base of a cylinder is given by the equation R is equal to volume divided by pi times h, all of it raised to the half, where V is the volume of the cylinder and h is the height of the cylinder. Find the radius of the cylinder to the nearest inch. Use 3.14 for pi. Okay, I'm just going to rewrite this formula that was given to us. Radius is equal to volume divided by pi times h, the height of the cylinder, and that's raised to the 1/2 power. Okay, over here we were given the height of the cylinder as 6. We have the volume as 170, and we're going to substitute 3.14 for pi. So the volume is given to us as 170 cubic inches. Pi is 3.14. The height of the cylinder is 6. And you're going to raise that to the 1/2. Once you do this little calculator work here, that ends up being 9 to the 1/2, which the radius is 3 inches. Okay, try not to use your calculator on this and use your simplified radicals and with rational exponents today. So you had the lesson yesterday. We had this little assignment from yesterday, 6.3 practice. Hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, make sure you try to get a hold of me. I will have a short little assignment for you posted in Teams today also. Thank you very much. Have a great day.